example of this here in Saksala, one of the suburbs of Lahti, Finland. There are 3 of these buildings here, but we don't need to film them. It's just one example.
Yeah.
Because it was replaced. We don't know if it was Valmisliren or MP8 originally. It was probably one of those. It still has a good wooden interior, so that's why we can take one, right? We replaced the 6 for a bit and replaced it in 2017. When was this built originally? Do we know it?
No.
We have to check that information. The cylinder is 429616823. We expect it in 2023 in the next year. Nine floors. But there's no close button here.
Yeah.
So it was too seldom that they got no close buttons.
Yeah.
Did you press?
Yeah.
No.
Niissä kaikki vaikuttaa, niitä ei vaikka on.
My guess it might have been Valmisliren before.
Yeah.
Too often when they have replaced completely, it's been something different from like what they had been maintaining with. And here it has been Kone. Kone was chosen.
That's